Hi, in this video today we will discuss about unlocking extension investigation, opening Visual Studio Code from Dynamics 365 Business Central. Now the first step is search customer. The second step is click question mark and then scroll down. The third step is click help and support. The fourth step is inspect page and data. The fifth step is inspection page open. Now the sixth step is click on explore page in Visual Studio Code. The seventh step is VS Code open and then click on open. Now the eighth step is page open, scroll down. The all fields are available in VS Code. Now the ninth step is click on three dots, explore field in VS Code. VS Code open in step 8. Now click on open. The 11th step is create new project. Now page open. All fields are available in VS Code. Now you have unlocked the extension. Thanks.